guys, it's Camo here, and today we're going back to the insane Airsoft arena in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's get prepared. Let's head down there. This should be right here.
Did my cousin hide back ever?
We hid back in one video, and we just stayed there. And then we were like, okay, we should just run up. So we had a countdown, and we ran across the field, and we got my little brother, and then we ran back.
Is that the person who was out there?
Yeah, and then yeah, they say they play noises all the time, but I never hear them.
You see, I'm a meme softer. I will, what is it called? I will slab squat all the way to the other side of the field.
Oh, they sometimes play Russian music.
Yeah, I know. It's in there.
Actual, like, med kit stuff. This is, like, 50-year-old Band-Aids. Like, I'm not even joking. These are yellow. And, bandages.
Would you run Milsim if you were old enough?
Yeah, there's a Milsim coming up in April. There's this
Well, you
guy.
have to be 18 or older.
How
How old are you?
17.
Ah.
Blue, y'all got a red. Head on out there, guys. If you're not sure where you're going, just follow the rest of the people on the team.
Where are we going?
We're going to blue.
Comrade. Okay, comrade.
We must squat.
We must go to blue. Oh, can I see the blowback? Oh, that's beautiful.
Does yours not have blowback or something?
No. Mine is a non-blowback variant of this stuff. They sell a blowback version. It's like $100. And the blowback breaks down a lot on that one.
I don't know why they don't allow us to get in cars, because many airsoft fields allow you to get into cars.
Coming through.
I have a real Kevlar vest on. Oh no! Hey, you're wearing it.
Kind of.
You are a brother.
Where's my side protector?
You're a brother.
That's from a
What?
Yeah, I got shot in the side protector. Take my side.
Come, let us squat.
You see, most people hold AK up here.
Okay.
Oh, he's above the land! Come from the left. We must go to the left, man.
Does yours not have blowback? Wait, what does yours look like whenever you fire? Oh. That's very unsatisfying.
I know.
But why does it go like...
To get access to the hop up.
Mother done. Mother done. Mother done.
By the way. Can I shoot AK? AK is very nice gun.
Very nice.
That is very fun to shoot, comrade.
Thank you.
I won't shoot. Alright, no.
Wait, do you guys have matching sauces?
No, we
We
both
both
have
video.
He has actual official Clash Command brand.
Wait, oh.
And his
nice.
blowback.
Hey, may I? Wait, I've never shot. Oh, this thing heavy. shoots so slow though.
No, it doesn't. You go like this.
Well, he is not speed softer. He is actually tactical. You are speed softer, meaning you don't need aim.
There is enemy. Enemy.
Did you get shot, comrade?
No. Where from? Where coming? Where coming from?
We're gonna get speed softer.
Wait a minute. Where's Ban? Oh.
Let's run under arches. We go get them there.
Come, let us run. Let us run.
It finally worked. Where's the sun?
We must run up. We must run up tower. You have to understand. Come,
Tower is not
come.
a good idea.
come. Never mind. We go piss in bucket. Come on. Piss in bucket. I got one. One will walk by. Watch. Come here. You look through crate. You see right there. You see that crack right there?
I cannot see.
Oh, right down! Down! You pissing bucket. Come here. Pissing bucket. Come bucket. Come, run.
What the fuck is the piston?
Right.
Yes, that is block.
Yes, it's his block. It's blowback. Get down! Huh, hey, surrender. I said, oh, wait. Never mind. Up in tower. Embassy!
He has a flashlight. He's
Gold
right.
plate.
He wants to go mage.
Shock black.
I hate mate. Mate got me in lane. People will camp you in corners.
Where go? We must run. We have to run. I have bulletproof vest.
Where are you running to?
We run in days.
We don't run in Maze. I tell you border store. And Maze helping you dig.
No, never mind. We go down. Come. Don't be puss. Come. When I give signal, come. Come. In tunnel. In tunnel. We got. Now let's go up. Go up to sniper.
Kill him.
Yeah, no.
No, they're over here. They're over here. Yeah, see. They're hitting the car.
Shit. Okay. Allah. They're up here. Fifth idea is wrong. Come. You must go up ass. There is in tunnel. In tunnel. We go and bomb.
There's a guy down there. In bomb.
In bomb.
I got spy. My dad.
In bomb.
In bomb.
In bomb. In bomb.
In bomb.
Bomb. Bomb. In there.
In bomb.
You must squat. Hey, there's someone running. Never mind.
Leave this whole side taken.
What?
Leave this whole side taken. Comrade, did you die?
No. We
Comrade, you come with me. Come this way.
come where?
We run in our arches and scream for Russia.
Us. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot. Okay, where run? Okay, let's run.
We run.
Let's run in bomb.
I see it hit the other side. Comrade, where is he?
I see no one. We must follow Speed Softer.
We must follow Speed Softer.
Speed Softer. Let's follow. Follow Speed Softer. As soon as run, run. Come. Come into bomb. Where are you? We are in bomb. Come in bomb. Wait, why you know come?
I know come because I'm scared of getting shot.
You know get shot in here. Don't worry.
I know get shot in here.
No, we don't.
Super you. Comrade, may I use?
Don't put your whole fucking magazine into us and we can be friends.
Yeah, man, with you. Free of charge.
I can't wait to just get fucking mag jumped by a chive turkey.
Come. Listen for area. Like, hey. Make sure nobody fuck us.
What's the right?
Don't. We have to guard flag.
Whenever a chive turkey comes around the corner, you lock them the fuck up.
Don't.
Here comes the chive turkeys.
Okay.
First wave.
Get into position. Into position. Go for always.
I don't have a fucking hiding spot. I get laser.
Go for always.
Come here. Sit in the corner. Corner. Where?
I don't know, right here. I like right here. I might shoot you. I might shoot you.
Okay, be ready.
I got this one. They're afraid. Wait a minute. Ah,
Head! You bang bang from the. If you're behind, you say bang bang. You don't. Okay, we have to hurry. Run back to base and we go back in. Hey. We went in the maze. All right, we have to go back in the maze. They got our flag again.
I waved at someone at the maze.
We have to get back the flag again.
They got our flag?
Yes, we have to get back. He's in the maze. Go back in the maze.
Look at that.
He's right. On the building.
Hey, go around and get in the maze. Okay, get the grenade.
Whoa!
Fuck.
Is it jammed?
No.
Hit!
Hit! Okay, he's over there. Get him. He's over there. What are you thinking? He's over there.